Hey, we are at the Powder Show in Rosemont, Illinois. Uh, I am Michael Lau, Design Engineer representing the GEMCO booth. I'm here with our wonderful production lead, George Paffendorf, Kevin Griffin doing production, Jennifer doing parts, and our CEO, Casey Bigheart. We're showcasing our 3 cubic foot industrial blender right now. Can do 65 pounds per cubic foot as our standard, and it has its own safety scanner, laser scanner, as well as drum loading system. Everything is completely automated and controlled with the HMI on the main panel to the left here. Um, so come by and see our 3 cubic foot blender. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anyone in our crew. We're all experts at booth 1421.